Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the state government recruitment guys, that is the Bihar Public Service Commission AAO recruitment 2021. So here the total 138 vacancies are there and eligibility is a graduation in a few departments. So it is a wonderful opportunity, so please utilize this one, the candidates who are interested and eligible. So before going into the main content, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so in adda247.com website we got this notification, that is Bihar Public Service Commission AAO recruitment 2021. The notification is out for the assistant auditor office. Okay, so in the official website the online registration process will be active from 17th April onwards and the candidates can apply till 15th May 2021. Okay, the candidates interested in the posts can check the eligibility and other details. Okay, that is there in the official website. Fine. So here these are the starting date and the awning date, and the application mode is the online only. So there is no any type of offline applications. So notification release date is 8th April and online application starts from 17th, closing on 15th May. And the admit card also or also online examination date, those will be notified soon. Okay, so these are the details, and coming to the vacancy details for general category 54 and for BC 17, BC 25, EWS 14 and BC female 4, SC 22 and SC 2. Total number of vacancies are 138. And coming to the education qualification required here is the candidate must have a graduate with any one of the subject, including commerce, economics, statistics or mathematics from any recognized university. MBA Finance, CA, ICWA and CS certificates are also eligible for this post. So the candidates who belongs to these sections, so then please try to apply guys. It is a very good opportunity and a permanent post also. And while coming to the age limit, minimum 21 and maximum 37. And for female 40, the age relaxations are as per the government norms guys. And application fee 600 rupees for general BC and EWS and 150 rupees for the SC ST and 150 rupees for the Bihar domicile female. And mode of payment you can do either online or else the offline. And from any state you may apply guys. Okay, but please once check the official website. Okay, and how to apply? So you have to go to the official website and go to the login page. Okay, you have to enter all the credentials and you have to upload a signature and all these things and click on the submit after doing the payment. Fine. So these are all the details guys, and the link is going to be active soon. Why? Because they mentioned here that the link is going to be activated from 17th April 2021 onwards. So now you don't get any type of links in the official website guys. You will get only the notification. Okay, you will get only the notification. So please go through the notification very carefully. Here total 5 pages of notification is there. Okay, and then wait until the 17th April, then you will get the online link in the official website for the registration purpose, and then you start applying this. Okay, so these are the details, and for more notifications please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards, And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide